plans to build the world's largest dam in Tibet, surpassing the Three Gorges Dam. It is going to be built on the eastern rim of the Tibetan Plateau located in the lower reaches of Yarlung Zangpo, that is Sangpo or Brahmaputra River. Therefore, as the project is located near India's border, it is raising significant concerns. In response, India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has assured that the Indian government is on high alert, monitoring the situation closely. India is particularly concerned about the impact of the dam on the downstream regions, and therefore it has urged China to ensure that it does not harm countries like India and Bangladesh who rely on Brahmaputra's waters. So what do we know about the project? Well, the proposed dam is said to be the largest hydropower project globally. Once completed, this dam will produce more than 3 times the electricity of the Three Gorges Dam, which currently holds the title for the world's largest hydroelectric project with a capacity of 88.2 billion kilowatt hours. The dam is a central feature of China's 14th five-year plan, and it is estimated to cost around $137 billion, making it the largest infrastructure project ever undertaken globally. But that's not all. The scale of the project is staggering. During the construction of the Three Gorges Dam, China had to resettle over 1.4 million people. Now, with this new dam being 3 times its size, experts are left wondering how many people will be displaced. However, Beijing has not provided any estimate of that yet. Aside from the displacement issue, the dam will have far-reaching ecological consequences, not only in India but also in China. It will also likely alter the course of the Brahmaputra River, affecting the region's agriculture and ecosystem with long-term consequences for both countries. Therefore, India is keeping a watchful eye on this project as it is aware of the potential risks the project poses to the environment and its own interests.